Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my Abhyas. I'm Rajeshwari, your mathematics teacher. In this session also, I'm going to give you the solutions for sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so it is solution for the sum of n terms. Right? You'll be asking, ma'am, how many sums in this sum of n terms? So I promise and I'm sure that if you practice everything, whatever we give in this session, so you will be able to you'll be very confident and you'll be opening your books again. You'll be recollecting and you have to revise only during your periodic test and the examination. So observe very carefully. So let us move on to the solutions for sum of n terms. So keep ready with your book and pen. First sum is written already. Copy down. Solutions for sum of n terms. Clear? So what is the first sum I have written here? Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So that means what here? Your AP is not given. We have to write the AP by writing the multiples of 8. So start writing now along with me. Solution. AP is equal to, or just write here, the given AP is, so what is that? We have to start the multiples of 8. Here it is 8 ones are, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So shall we write all the 15? Not necessary, right? So just put dash, 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 dash. Fine. Now here. So what is the data then? So A is equal to, first term it is 8 and D value is, you need to subtract and check it. You can do that, but directly you can write it is 8. Yes, and n value is 15. What is the value of n? It is 15 because here find the sum of the first 15 multiples. So here 15 denotes it is the value of n. Now apply the formula, recollect it fast. So what is that? Check your formula card. It is Sn is equal to n divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? So n value is nothing but 15 divided by 2 and 2a, 2 into a value is 8 plus n minus 1. So it is n is 15 minus 1 into d is 8. Yes? Now it is 15 divided by 2 as it is into 8 twos are 16 plus 14 into 8. Recollect the tables. It is 15 divided by 2 into 16 plus 14 eights are. What is 14 eights are? It is 112. Clear? Yes. Now write it and do it very systematically. Further, it is 15 divided by 2 into 16 plus 112. Yes, it is 128. 128. Now cancel this. It is 2 ones are, 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. It is 64 and 15 are left over here. It is 15 and 64. Multiply. Any method you can use. I will use the shortcut method. That is 15 and 64. Look at this. 5 fours are, it is 20. So 2 carry over. And here 6 fives are, it is opposite diagonal numbers. 6 fives are 30 and 4 ones are 4. It is 36. Write this 36 here. And then last here, 10th place, it is 6 ones are. Now push this 3 this side. It becomes 960. Fine. You can cross check with the ordinary method also. It is 960. So what is this value? This is S15. S15 is nothing but 960. That means what? That means what? Here it is. It is the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. If you just go on writing and extending this pattern, this multiples of 8 till 15 numbers, And then if you add, the answer will be 960. So very simple, right? Hope you have understood. Now let us move on to the second problem. Second sum is here. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. It is same as the previous problem. There, the statement was the multiples of 8. Here, the 40 positive integers divisible by 6. That means we have to get the numbers which are divisible by 6, and those numbers are first 40 positive integers. So, shall we write 6 ones are multiples of 6 here also again? So, shall we go ahead here? Again, the given AP is, the given AP is 6. 6 is divisible by 6. And 12. 12 is also divisible by 6. Continue, it is 18 and 24 and so on. So, how many numbers we have to write here? 40 positive integers we have to write. Okay. So, let us stop this AP here only and then write the data. Then use the formula. Then continue. So, according to this progression, the value of A is equal to 6 and the value of D is also 6. Yes. And so, what is the value of N? N is nothing but 40. Clear? And then we have to find out yes 40. Question mark. So, write the formula again here. It is yes N is equal to N divided by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N by 2. So, what is N? Here it is 40 divided by 2 into 2 into 6 plus N minus 1. It is 40 minus 1 into D. D value is again 6 here. It is, here cancel this. It is 2 ones are, 2 20s are. It is 20. And then 6 2s are 12 plus 39 into 6. Yes, then multiply and then add. So what is that? Here it is 39 into 6. 6 9s are 54, 5 carry over. It is 6 3s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 5 is 23. It is 234. So 20 into 12 plus 234. Yes, 234 plus 12. It is 246. So, though it is simple, you have to do the working. Okay. If you are very confident and very thorough with the fundamental operations, you can go ahead, no problem. But it is well and good if you show the working column. Okay. It is 20 into 246. Now, 246 into 20. It is 6 2s are 12. 1 carry over, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, so 2 2s are 4 and 0. It is 4920. It is yes 40. Yes 40 is equal to 4920. Clear? Easy, right? So we just got the AP and thereby we got the value of yes 40. Hope you have understood and you are going to practice this again and again. Now let us move on to the third problem. Third sum. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay. The sums seem to be similar, right? Today's first problem. This session's the first problem, second problem, and this problem also seems to be similar. Yes. But I'm very happy to do it. Though the sums are similar, I'm very happy to do it for you because it would be a practice for you. Okay. Even here in this problem also AP is not given. So that is why I told it is similar to the previous problems. Yes. So let us practice this. It is, what is the AP? So we have to find the AP, that is we have to form the AP by writing the odd numbers. So recall the concept of odd numbers, that is the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called as odd numbers. So you know this concept very well. So now why to waste time? Start now. It is 1, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. I mean, it is between, the range is given here, it is 0 and 50. So, therefore, the last number has to be written, that is 49. Clear? AP is ready. So, what next? Find A. I mean, write the value of A. A is 1 and D value is 3. D value is 3. How blindly I am writing. Here it is 3 minus 1. It is not 3. It is 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2. Clear? And N value is how many? Find the sum of the odd numbers. N value is given. No, right? So just do not scratch your head. Just write question mark. Okay. And what is this L value? What is this 49? It is L value. Okay, the last term. Fine. Now apply the formula. Which formula to apply? Because N value is not given. So we cannot directly go for Sn. Yes, no? So before going to Sn formula, we have to apply the An formula. That is L or An. Since we have written here L, so let us follow the same system here. It is L only. L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is the value of A? It is 1 plus N minus 1 is, L value is given here. Before going to N minus 1, just substitute L value. It is 49. And N minus 1 as it is into D. D value is 2. It is 49 is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2. Yes, taking this 2 inside. So 49 is equal to 2n minus 1. Here, it is shift is 1 towards the left hand side. So what do we get? It is 50. Yes, no? You got the value of n. So what is that? Therefore, it is n value is equal to 25. So it is 25. That means what? So there are 20 odd numbers between 0 and 50. This is the meaning of this. N is equal to 25, which means there are 25 odd numbers between 0 and 50. So after knowing the value of n, it's very easy for us to find the value of Sn. That is the sum of the the sum of the odd numbers. That is S25 we are supposed to find out. Do it now. It is Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Thinking why am I using this formula? You can apply this formula or directly, or you can just go for other one. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into a plus l. You can apply here also, no problem. So, but I am applying here in this formula. Clear? It is n by 2. So, what is the value of n? It is 25 divided by 2 into a. So, what is the value of a? It is 1 plus l value is 49. So, here 25 divided by 2 into 50. Cancel this. It is 2 1s are 2 25s are. Yes. So, what is 25 into 25? Yes, it is 625. 25 square. 25 square is 625. So, that is S25 is equal to 625. I hope you know the meaning of this. If we go on adding all these numbers, that is 1 to 49, I mean the odd numbers from 0 to 50, there are 25 numbers. If you just keep adding all those, we get the answer as 625. Clear? So, hope you have understood, you are learning and you are recalling all the formula which is required for this. So, let us move on to the next problem. Students, our fourth problem is half of the board. So, don't worry about the length of the problem. Just listen to me. Have you ever experienced taking penalty, that means impositions or extra punishment for your delaying work? No, right? I hope you are all very good students. But here, one contractor, for the construction purpose, he has just delayed his work. He has actually committed to the work. Since he has delayed it, he has to pay the penalty, right?